Hey there and welcome. If you're looking to create crisp, professional quality t-shirt designs using Canva with that all-important 300 DPI resolution, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to craft a standout t-shirt graphic and export it the right way, making sure your prints look sharp, vibrant, and totally ready for production. Let's dive in and make your designs shine. First things first, go ahead and open up Canva. If you haven't already, you can create a free account in just a moment or two. Think of Canva as your digital art studio. It's packed with versatile tools for creators at any skill level. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, look up towards the top right for the Create a Design button. Give that a click and something magical happens. A world of possibilities opens up. Here you'll want to type in t-shirt in the search box. This step is essential because typing t-shirt tells Canva you want a canvas size that's specifically tailored for t-shirt printing. The dimensions are optimized to match typical print areas, which takes out the guesswork and helps avoid any frustrating sizing issues later. Now you'll see a gallery of t-shirt templates appear. These templates are like ready-made starting points. Some are bold, some minimalistic, others playful. Select a template that catches your eye or suits the vibe you're going for. Don't overthink it, you can always tweak everything as you go. Clicking on a template will open up the design workspace, where you're free to let your creativity flow. Once inside the editor, you can modify every part of the design. Change the text, switch up the fonts, experiment with colors, or move elements around. This is the real fun part. For example, if you want a bold slogan on your shirt, select the existing text and type your own message. Maybe you want something a bit more personal, simply swap in your favorite quote or your team's name. Remember, clarity matters. A t-shirt needs to be eye-catching and easy to read at a distance. Feel free to try out different combinations, and don't worry if it takes a few tries to get just the right look. That's all part of the creative process. If you want to take it up a notch, Canva also lets you add new elements. Over on the left sidebar, you'll find icons, shapes, illustrations, and even photos. Maybe you want to add a fun graphic or a subtle decorative accent around your text. That's where these elements come in handy. Just search for what you need, drag and drop it onto your canvas, and adjust to your liking. One tip I always share: less can often be more with t-shirt designs. Keep things bold and simple for best results in print. With your masterpiece ready, it's time to focus on getting that high-resolution export. This step is crucial. Printing requires much higher resolution than you see on screen, and we're going for that industry-standard 300 DPI. Hit the share button at the top right and choose the download option. Here, where most people go wrong, instead of choosing PNG or JPG, select PDF print. This tells Canva to package your design at the highest quality suitable for professional printing. But we're not done yet. Expand the color options and select CMYK. This color mode is made for print, not screens, and ensures the colors on your final t-shirt match what you see in Canva as closely as possible. Give it a moment to process. Bigger files take a little longer, but that's a good sign you're getting top-tier resolution. Once downloaded, you're all set to send your design off to your favorite print shop or even upload to a print-on-demand service. And that's it, you've just made a beautiful 300 DPI t-shirt design in Canva, ready to turn heads. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, it makes a big difference. If you have any questions or want to share your own design tips, drop a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more creative tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.